Hey, Ryan from Truxedo here. We're going to talk about the Elevate Rack System by Truck Hero. It is a ladder rack. It is very unique in the sense that you can operate a folding or rolling cover to its full capacity without contacting the ladder rack. It mounts into a T-slot channel here. This particular unit will telescope down to 18 up to 28 inches as well. It's rated for 750 pounds of on-road weight and 250 of off-road. Also has optional tie-downs you can use with that would fit along the rail in the T-slot on top or below it as well. So how this ladder rack mounts in is into a TS rail. It's a T-slot channel rail. Really works with any inside mount cover. So there's several different Truck Hero covers you can use. It also works with several different T-slot accessories. So you can kind of mix and match your tonneau cover as well as the accessories you're using in the T-slot channel. So in this particular one, we have the Elevate Rack System as well. But this one will allow you to do so much more and to really expand your storage capacity of your pickup truck. General retail price point on the T-slot rail does come with a couple clamps as well as the tie-downs. You're looking about in that $149 ballpark. MSRP, looking on the ladder rack, right around that $700 price point.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.